Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can possibly fix the high ping in Deepwoken. So first you're gonna go to view network connections. There you're gonna have Wi-Fi or like Ethernet you're connected to, properties. Then you're gonna have Internet Protocol version 4. Double click there, use the following DNS server and press 88888844. Try this. And then you're just gonna press OK. So okay, try this. If this doesn't work out, then what you can try to do, maybe it's going to work. You just want to go to settings, and when you're gonna be in settings, network and internet, advanced network settings, network reset, and you can reset the network, and maybe it's going to help out. I don't know if it's going to actually help out for you, but I hope it does. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.